Okay, we're in the Rising Kitchen this morning, people, and you know the juicing trend has taken off, and that's due to the health benefits it affords and so many people's new focus on wellness, right?
Yep, that's right. And if you know the show, you know him. The Juice Man, Harold, is back with us, and he is sharing some spring juicing ideas. Good morning. Thanks for being here.
Good morning. Good morning.
All right, so Harold, for anyone who is thinking about juicing, you know, they say summer bodies are made in the spring, I suppose.
Yeah.
How can they kind of ease into it?
Ease into it with nature's candy.
Okay.
That's what I like to call these juices because they give us the sweetness that we all love, but they have nutritional benefits that we all need.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Love that.
And you brought three
Yeah,
juices for us to try today. We've got a blue, orange, and red. And let's start with the orange. What is in that, and why should we be drinking?
So the orange has pineapple. Now pineapples are really good for spring because they help with allergies. If you have mucus, you want to definitely load up on your pineapple. It also has mango to give you that tropical feel, and some orange for your citrus. And then I add lime because lime is a natural preservative, so it's going to help your juice last longer.
Oh,
perfect.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
Joe.
So Joe, let's see how you do.
I love it. Now, are you sipping too?
Oh yeah.
All right. Very nice.
We're daydreaming.
Right.
Hey, cheers. It smells so good, so fresh. Joe?
Yeah. I'm on board with this.
Oh,
yeah, we're doing good. The last two times
okay.
we've met, there have been good encounters.
You know what? This is like a very expensive, light, refreshing orange juice. That's
Come
what
on,
I would.
expensive. Okay.
It tastes expensive.
We're fancy. We're
It
fancy.
does. It tastes expensive. It's so good because you can taste the real juice, and you know, it's very good. I love that.
No artificial colorings or no refined sugar, so it's all good.
Which surprises me, and I know we'll get to that one in a little bit. But right now we're going to talk about the red. This is made with just watermelon?
Just watermelon. And watermelon is good for folks who don't like to drink water. You know,
I am folks.
Joe?
Because it's 90% water. So you're going to get the hydration that your body needs. Also, it has vitamin A and vitamin C.
Yeah, and this is going to be a home run for me because I love watermelon. Can't pick one out, but I love it.
Right. Well, you know the secret to that, Joe, and you let me know if I'm wrong. It's supposed to have a little yellow spot
patch.
on it. Yep.
Okay.
It means it's right.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good.
See,
You can also
I've done the
pat
plump,
it too.
the thumping thing, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, this is delicious.
Yeah. Love it.
That works? Okay.
Tastes like summer.
You picked a great watermelon.
Yep. Very good.
Now for the real special one.
Okay.
And I made this specially for you, Joe.
For me.
It's blue spirulina.
Okay.
Now,
I've never heard of spirulina.
Spirulina comes from the water, and it's an algae, and it's really good. It helps to boost your immune system, but it also helps to increase your testosterone.
Okay.
So men who are over 40, I don't know if you're over 40, but
I
men
am.
who are, okay.
Way over.
Joe said, I'm on board. Sign me up.
And my testosterone has dipped a little. My numbers are a little low.
So as opposed to the blue pill, get you some blue juice.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Now, am I allowed to drink this one?
Yeah.
Am I going to start growing hair on my chin?
Will it hurt?
Transform me.
Please, we don't need that.
No, it also boosts your immune system, and it helps to reduce the inflammation in the body.
Okay.
So it's all
Well,
good.
I'll take it. I got plenty of information in the body.
Little extra hair, thicker hair, never hurt anybody, Lauren.
Joe, that's what you said. I would give you some of mine. You know, it's crazy. This is so embarrassing. Sometimes I'll get one hair on my little chin, and I'm like, where did this thing come from, and when did it start happening? I pluck it out real quick, though. Let's hope this doesn't help it grow. That's different. It's good.
That's not bad.
It's not bad.
You are doing really good.
Come
my
on
man.
now.
Yeah. That reminds me of like a Capri Sun or something from back in the day, but a healthy version.
All natural. All natural.
Now, before we have to say goodbye to you, I know everyone's trying to do this juicing thing, or at least they want to do it. But this eating healthy trend can be expensive for a lot of people.
Right.
Are there any tips that you can offer that can make it more affordable for people?
You want to look for fruits that have a high juice yield, like pineapples, melons. They're going to provide you with a higher juice yield. And I like to get all my produce from farmers markets because they have much lower prices.
Okay. All right. Good.
I do have one more question. Do you eat actual food too in addition to this?
I do.
Okay. I was just wondering. This is all very good, but yeah. Anyway, I can't wait to get a bite of that pineapple.
All right.